So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw the atom. And let's begin by choosing an atom. And I'm going to choose the atom fluorine, which has the chemical symbol F, has an atomic number of 9, and an atomic mass of 18.99. To begin with, what we should do is draw the nucleus. The nucleus should be a circle, a simple circle like this. And in the nucleus, we should have protons and neutrons. So protons P and neutrons N equals. Now to find out how many protons you have, it's pretty simple. The number of protons is the atomic number. So we have 9 protons in a fluorine atom. The number of neutrons, on the other hand, neutrons is equal to the atomic mass. So let's write down the formula: atomic mass minus the atomic number. So if you take the atomic mass and you subtract the atomic number, then the result should be the number of neutrons. So in our case, what we have is an atomic mass of 18.99, which I'm going to round up to 19. And from that, I'm going to subtract the atomic number, which is 9, which gives us a final result of 10, which means that the number of neutrons in this case here is 10. Now when it comes time for the electrons, I'm going to draw the orbits. The orbits are where the electrons fly around, like this. Each orbit can hold a maximum number of electrons, and in the first orbit, so let me write that down. First orbit can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. In the second orbit, we can have a maximum of 8 electrons, and in the third, it's the same thing. There's a maximum of 8 electrons. So if I'm trying to put electrons in here, and it turns out that the number of electrons equals the number of protons, if I'm trying to put electrons in this example here, well, it turns out I have 9 electrons, so I need to put 9 electrons. I start by filling in the most inside ring, and so that's 1 electron over here, 1 electron, and another electron over here, and that's the maximum number of electrons I could put in this orbit, because like we see over here, the maximum number of electrons that I could put is 2. So I've put 2. There are 7 more to go, so I'm going to have to put the other 7 inside the second ring, inside the second orbit. I'm allowed to put a maximum of 8, so I can definitely put in 7. So let's put that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. And those are the 7 electrons, which means I don't need to draw the third ring, the third orbit, because it's empty. There is no third orbit. And so this is how we draw an atom, and in this case here, the fluorine atom.